trouble we've been dealing with all weekend. Sorry for all y'all that got cruises coming up for the next week or so, because I was looking at the weather.com and I didn't see an ending in sight. It's wild out here right now. Good morning. It's day 2 on MSC Divina out of Miami. Today we were supposed to be in Nassau, Bahamas, but the weather's so bad we couldn't dock. The wind was too strong. They said it was 67 knots wind gust, and that sounds crazy. I know it's like 60 miles per hour or something like that wind, so we couldn't even dock at Nassau. So today it's just another sea day, and it's not looking like it's getting any better. So we're supposed to be in Ocean Key tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna be another sea day. I don't really know what we have planned today, but I'm gonna try to find something to do. So we'll see what we get into. So I can't get in the hot tub nowhere. All the hot tubs are packed full of kids and drunk people.
6 hours later.
Soldier Boy, I'm telling you. I got a little dance for y'all call it Soldier Boy. Crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier Boy, baby, why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that why me you? Crank that song, now 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 what? Soldier Boy, baby, why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that why me you? Crank that song, now 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 what?
All right, so day 2 was a success. I am kind of sad that tomorrow is the last day, but I had a lot of fun tonight at the white party, and we had fun at the club too. So, but now we tired. We was partying like it's still for the 99 to 2000. So we about to go ahead and go relax in our cabin for the rest of the night. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, and I love you. Bye.